Zuma. I saw it too. Whoever it is might need help. Let's go check it out, pups. Life jacket, deploy!
Whoa! It looks like a real deal spaceship!
And it sounds like someone's trapped inside. Rocky, use your claw to open the hatch.
You got it, Ryder! Claw! Whoa! Yeah, do. Thanks, Ryder. Wow!
Welcome. We are friends who want to help you. Zuma, use your cable to tow the capsule to the dock.
Tow cable!
Great. Hang on, space traveler.
Wowza! Was that the weird object that just whizzed over the water?
Look who we found inside.
It's a monkey astronaut?
A monkey knot.
Captain Gordy, what happened? Wait, you're not Captain Gordy.
I'm Ryder, but Captain Cordy's okay. The space capsule crashed in the bay, but we rescued him.
Thank you, Rescue Rider, for saving Captain Gordy. Unfortunately, now he can't get into orbit soon enough to meet the space station. With no monkey, there's no mission.
We can get him there fast. No job is too big, no pup is too small.